Alright people, can I just pick your brains quickly? It's about my track saw. I'm just trimming down this door for the second time. Yesterday I done it and I was getting quite a lot of smoke. That was in one pass. Today I've done it in 2 passes and it hasn't really made a difference. I'm just getting a lot of charring and there's, yeah, you can see like charcoal here. This is the blade that I've got on. Can you see that? Is that the wrong blade? Is it blunt? Like what's happening? It's a hardwood door, obviously, but I mean, effectively here, you see that little bit there, that's going to be a cross cut, but then I'm assuming the rest of it is like a rip cut. So I assume it's the blade, but is it blunt or is it just the wrong blade altogether? The thing is with this, it was second hand. Look how mashed that is in there. I'm not even sure I'll be able to change the blade, but we'll have to give it a shot. And then, so this is the Dewalt DWS520. I'm pretty sure the brushes are going in it, so I maybe need to change them, but yeah, I'm not sure what to do about the blade. Guess your ideas. I'll see you later.